Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic qcad tutorial how to change line weight. For example, I will draw a line with these 2 points. I will create in it. And if you want to change this line weight, you can select the line object and then go to property editor. In line weight, you can change bang layer, like I will set into 1. The line weight of the selected line will be automatically changed. I will click again at this line, go to property editor, line weight, and I will set into 2. And that's it for a basic qcad tutorial how to change line weight. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.